Hello everyone, welcome to the first tutorial in this series, and this series is going to be about website graphic design. And after we finish this series, we're going to go to web design, which will include HTML and CSS, and later on we'll have another series of web development where we're going to use JavaScript, PHP, and develop our website more. So what's the difference? The difference between graphic design and web design, graphic design, you're actually designing the website and make it look good, right? So usually you will use like Photoshop, and let me actually open a project that I had, which is actually my main website, and show you guys an example. So this is an example of my design. I didn't follow it 100%, but that's my initial design that I wanted, and I just made it look like that. And then later on, after I design it using Photoshop or Illustrator or whatever you're going to use, you will have to do the HTML part, which is if I press on right click and I go to view page source, that's my HTML. And this is only the code, I would say. Later on we'll have to do style, which is completely different. It's gonna be, if I press on this right there, this is the style that I'm gonna use, and literally I'm taking information from here and converting it to CSS because browsers don't understand Photoshop, they understand CSS. So in this series we're gonna learn how to do the Photoshop part, we're gonna design the website, and then after we finish this series we're going to do the HTML part where we're gonna use Notepad++, which is a free program. Photoshop is not free, so you'll have to buy that. And I think those are the programs, all the programs that you actually need. And then after you finish your website, you need a website host or host service. So you'll have to pay for that and buy a domain, and you probably will have a lot of options. But when we get there, I'll explain more about it. So that's our introduction, and I'll actually end this video, and in the next video we're gonna actually start designing, and I'll probably do a video about just getting the resources that we need, all the pictures and all the stuff that we'll need to start our design. And then probably the third video I'll start the actual design and setting up everything. So please watch my videos, and I hope you enjoy the series, and see you in the next tutorial.